Amazing TV but flat sound. That's not your TV's fault, that's a missing power. Because cinema isn't just seen, it's felt. And when it comes to clean output, heavy bass and trusted performance, Samsung dominates. Today we are ranking the best Samsung soundbars from budget to absolute flagship monsters. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First on the list, Samsung SWC45 is soundbar. Samsung's best entry-level soundbar made for people who wants more than TV speakers without spending big. It's a 2.1 channel setup with a wireless subwoofer and a solid 300 watt power output. So the sound isn't just louder, it feels full, it feels powerful, it feels immersive. Bass comes first. The dedicated subwoofer delivers deep, punchy, low frequencies. Movies hit harder, music feels richer, action scenes feels alive. For sound quality, you get Dolby Audio and DTS Virtual X. Sound spreads wider, feels slightly three-dimensional. Dialogues stay clear, background score feels balanced. Action has proper separation. For daily viewing, there's adaptive sound light. It automatically tunes audio for sports, movies, or TV shows. Gamers also get game mode. Connectivity is simple. Bluetooth for wireless TV connection, no cable mess. Clean setup. It also supports wireless rear speakers so you can upgrade later. Other options include optical input and USB. Price around 10,990. At this range, you get strong bass, Dolby sound, and Samsung reliability. A true value for money soundbars. Buying link is in the description. You can check it out. Now, if you don't want just a normal soundbar and you want sound that feels everview around you and not just in front, then meet the Samsung SWQ600F soundbar. This is a true 3.1.2 channel soundbar with a wireless subwoofer and a powerful 380 watt output. A strong sound, clear dialogues, real surround immersion. The highlight, its 3.1.2 channel design. You get a dedicated center speakers for crystal clear voices and two firing speakers that bounce sound off the ceiling. That's how movies get real height effects and OTT content. It starts feeling cinematic. Audio support is premium. You get Dolby Atmos and DTS Virtual X. Sound doesn't feel flat. It feels layered, spacious, and three-dimensional. Helicopters, rain scenes, action sequences. You don't just hear them, you feel them move. Dialogue's clarity stays strong thanks to the center channel. There's voice enhance mode for even clearer speech and night mode for late night viewing without disturbing others. Samsung's Q Symphony takes things further. Your TV speakers and soundbar work together, creating a wider, richer sound stage. Plus, adaptive sound and SpaceFit Sound Pro automatically tune audio for your room. Connectivity is full loaded: HDMI ERC, HDMI in and out, optical, Bluetooth, and USB. You also get 4K pass through at 60 Hz with HDR10 plus support, no loss in picture quality. Price around 24,990 for Dolby Atmos upfiring speakers and Samsung TV compatibility. This is a strong premium choice. Buying link is in the description. If you want a next level home theater feel, the Samsung SWQ600F is absolutely worth considering. And if you want a Samsung soundbar that goes far beyond normal TV sound, where movies don't just play in front of you but feels like they are happening all around you, then the Samsung Q800F is a serious home theater upgrade. This is a true 5.1.2 channel soundbar with wireless Dolby Atmos built for immersive cinema sound. You get side firing and up firing speakers so sound doesn't stay flat. It moves from the sides, from above, and fills the entire room. Helicopters, car crashes, crowd noises, everything feels like it exists in a real 3D space. And the best part, wireless Dolby Atmos. No cable mesh, clean setup, is still full, cinema level surround sound. With a powerful 400 watt output, the experience never feels big. Bass is handled by a compact but powerful subwoofer with a 6.5-inch active driver and an 8-inch passive radiator. Bass is deep, tight, and during action scenes you can feel the room vibrate. You also get Q Symphony plus auto room calibration. Dialogues stay crystal clear even in loud scenes thanks to a smart voice enhancement that separates voices from background sound. Connectivity is fully future ready. Alexa built-in, Google Cast, AirPlay 2, and seamless smart device support. Price around 42,990 for true 5.1.2 surround wireless Dolby Atmos and powerful cinematic bass. The Samsung Q800F is a perfect choice for premium home theater lovers. Buying link is in the description. You can check it out. Another powerful name on this list, the Samsung SWQ930F. This is not a casual soundbar, this is a proper flagship home theater system made for people who take sound seriously. You get a true 9.1.4 channel setup with wireless Dolby Atmos. Sound doesn't stay in front of you, it moves from the sides, from the rear, and even from above. Movies, sports, OTT content, everything feels like it's happening inside a real 3D sound space. The real highlight here is the wireless rear speakers. They come with up firing and side firing drivers using ceiling reflections to create convincing enhancing overhead effects. This is a surround sound you don't just hear, you experience. Bass is handled intelligently with a SpaceFit Sound Plus and an auto EQ subwoofer. The soundbar automatically tunes bass according to your room. The result: deep, powerful, control low frequencies. Power is massive 540 watt total output. Even at high volume, there's no distortion, no less of clarity, just clean room filling sound. You also get Q Symphony, so your Samsung TV speakers and soundbar play together, creating a wider sound stage. Smart features are fully loaded, built-in Alexa, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi connectivity, everything works seamlessly. Price around 59,990. If you want a true flagship surround system with wireless Dolby Atmos and rear speakers included, the Samsung HWQ930F is a perfect choice for premium home cinema lovers. Buying link is in the description, you can check it out. And finally, the ultimate monster in Samsung's lineup. If you want a soundbar after which you will never feel the need for a separate home theater, this is Samsung's absolute flagship. You get a true 11.1.4 channel full surround setup. Sound doesn't just come from the front, it surrounds you from the front, sides, rear and above. Action scenes, explosions, concerts, everything feels like it's moving inside your room. The real magic is wireless Dolby Atmos, helicopters, rains, overhead effects. Sound feels natural, realistic and cinematic. This is a true flagship Dolby Atmos experience. You also get wireless rear speakers with up-firing drivers using ceiling reflections to create real height audio. You don't just hear surround sound, you experience it. For tuning and clarity, Samsung adds SpaceFit Sound Pro Plus and Q Symphony. Dialogues stay clear, the sound stage becomes wider and immersion goes to the next level. Power and bass are on another level. Even at high volume, clarity never drops. Bass is deep, tight and truly cinematic. You also get one remote control support for daily convenience. Price around 1,05,000. If you want best in class 11.1.4 surround, wireless Dolby Atmos, SpaceFit Sound Pro Plus, Q Symphony with Samsung TV, then the Samsung HWQ990F soundbar. It's a no compromise flagship choice. Best buying link is in the description, you can check it out. So these were the top best Samsung soundbars. From budget options to flagship home theater system, no matter your room size or budget, Samsung has a soundbar for you. Buying links are in the description below, you can check it out. If this video helped, like, subscribe and comment which one you'll buy. Thanks for watching.